Are you tired of drowning in a sea of paperwork? Frustrated with searching through endless documents? Say goodbye to the hassle. Our AI next-gen apps are here to simplify your life. Discover a wide range of chatbots tailored to meet your specific needs. Interacting with PDF documents, YouTube videos, and web pages is effortless with our platform. Additionally, our cutting-edge web apps enable you to effortlessly create multiple-choice questions and dynamic PowerPoint presentations. Just click on the Go to App button, which will direct you to the PDF chatbot. Enter a valid OpenAI API key. Upload your PDF document. And then click on the Process button. From there, select an option for document summarization, whether in 100, 200, or 500 words, and the chatbot will summarize it for you. Alternatively, you can interact with the document by typing a question into the chat here with PDF document bar. Similarly, you can take advantage of our suite of other apps. Stay informed and entertained with our YouTube chatbot, your personalized video assistant. Navigating through web pages has never been simpler. Let our Webpage Chatbot seamlessly guide you. The MCQ generator interface accepts documents in various formats, instantly producing quizzes. Wow your audience with captivating presentations using our PowerPoint generator. Ready to revolutionize your workflow? Begin your journey with AI next-gen apps today.